It's good. So in page 46A, we're talking about two fractions when they add together, but they have different what do we call it? Denominators. Okay. So we have 4, 6, we have 4, 6, we have 6, 8, we have 6, 8, we have 6, 9, right? And then 6, 9. All right. So the idea was that we have to change the two fractions into two other fractions which share the same denominator. And how do I find the same denominator among 4 and 6?
The bigger one.
You sure?
Well, you could also multiply it.
Or, well, you could, but that's not called the LCM, right? What does LCM represent?
Lowest common denominator.
Okay, well, are you sure? Where does the D come from? So least common multiplier. So for example, for 6, 4, and 6, right? For 4, I can do like 4 times 1, 4 times 2, 4 times 3. I can do 6 times 1, 6 times 2, 6 times 3. And the answer I'm getting, if I were to lay it out, all the answers, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, so on and so forth, right? What about the 6? I have 6, 12, and then 18, 24, and then 30, so on and so forth, right? So now, did you see that what they have in common, the earliest one? 12 and 12? 12 and 12? Yes.
6 months or year?
1 year. Okay, so in this case, 12 is the LCM for 4 and 6, right?
Okay.
All right, question now. Victoria, can you hold on 5 minutes? Hold on 5 minutes. There's something I haven't changed yet. So in this case, how would I get 4 to go into 12? How many times?
3.
So imagine now, you multiply 4 by 3 times to get 12, right? You also multiply 6 2 times to get 12 here. All right, the same thing will happen at the front as well, which means the numerator has to multiply by 3. So what's 1 times 3?
3.
What about here?
6.
You sure?
Oh, so it's 2.
Okay, why is it 2 again?
Because 12 is a 60.
Okay, good. Now let's take a look at question number 3 now. What's the LCM for 6 and 8?
48.
So like I said, if we just multiply them together, it's not be bad. Not gonna be the best way.
Well,
So what's the best way for me to find the LCM for 6 and 8? I'll show you a method. Okay. So all you need to do, dude, every time that you're not too sure what's the LCM, just do this. Just draw a little bracket like this, just like that. One open-ended, right, over here, and one close-ended. Now, think about the number here that can be divided by both 6 and 8 at the same time, as big as possible. Think about a number can be divided by both of them. What is that number?
as big or
As big as possible. A number that can be divided by 6 and 8.
Oh my God.
Maybe 2, right?
oh yeah, 2.
2? Let's put a 2 here and see what's going on here, right? If I put a 2, now what's 6 divided by 2? What's 6 divided by 2?
3.
What about 8 divided by 2?
4.
Good. Any number that can be divided by 3 and 4.
Yeah.
You sure?
Just 1.
Just 1. So we don't have to put anything. So all you need to do is you use 2 times 3 times 4. What's 2 times 3 times 4?
24.
Oh, did you find out that the LCM is just 24 for both of them, right? Now, same thing. How many times does 6 go to 24?
4 times.
You're done?
Yes.
Okay, well, it is what it is, 4 times. So the top will become, the numerator will become,
4.
how many times does 8 goes into 24?
3.
Okay, so the top becomes,
3.
so what's my final answer here?
7.
Over.
24.
Good job. All right, last one. Let's try number 6. We'll use the same strategy for 6 and 9. Let's find the LCM. One number can be divided by
3.
3, right? Very good. If I put 3 here, what's 6 divided by 3?
2.
What's 9 divided by 3?
3.
Okay, now anything for 2 and 3? Except the 1. Nothing, right? So then what's 3 times 2 times 3?
6. 18.
18. Okay, very nice. So 18 plus 18. This is how you can always find the LCM, right? So how many times does 6 go to 18?
3,
All right, so what's the new numerator here now?
3.
But don't forget about the 5 here.
Oh, yeah. So for 5, it's, I mean, so 9 it fits in 9 2 times.
Here, one more time, okay? One more time. How many times does 6 goes into 18?
3,
Okay, then you will have the same number that multiplied by the numerator. What's 5 times 3?
15.
So this is going to be 15 now. All right, what about this next?
2 times
Yes,
plus times this
Uh-huh.
times 1 is 2.
good job. And then my answer is
17.
fully understood.
Yes.
No questions? All right, you good to go, buddy.